trip with my son-in-law and my friend Ryan, Jason and Ryan, out towards Silver Springs from Dayton, around the Parkway onto Interstate 80 into Reno. Had lunch at der Wiener Schnitzel. Yeah, the only one in the area, but it's nice to have der Wiener Schnitzel. I miss them. They used to have a jalapeno dog that was the bomb jalapeno dog. Anyway, the camera performed flawlessly. Worked every time. Audio worked every time. Definitely have to work on the audio situation, the mic situation. Lots of wind noise. Noise from me breathing, you know. So have to get a mic with a muff on it. Get a muff mic. Yeah, get a mic with a muff on it, and maybe reposition it in my helmet or something. I was actually surprised there was that much wind noise. It almost sounded like I didn't have a mic inside my helmet at all. It almost sounded like external mic, you know, the camera mic, you know, with the wind. But of course the microphone is positioned in the mouth port, you know, where air comes in. I do have it closed off, but it's not like sealed like waterproof. So, and then I did notice that the video quality of the Insta360 One RS is a little less than that of a GoPro, and there's less video modes to choose from than a GoPro. This is not a comparison to a GoPro, because like I told you, I went to this camera because I could not get adequate, constant, reliable audio from the GoPro camera. It would work great one day or one trip for video, and the next time I used it, I'd get home and all my video had no audio. So I'm tired of that. Even if my video is a little less quality, maybe, you know, I'd rather have constant audio than good video with no audio. I'm not shooting scenery. But anyway, I looked for some more tips on using this camera. Got to work on that also. One YouTube video said turn down the sharpness all the way to low, and you can sharpen it up, you know, with your editing software if you want it sharper. And so anyway, I did that to see, and I turned up my frames per second. So I went from 30 frames per second to 60 frames per second. So maybe that'll help the video a little bit. It'll definitely make it better for slow motion work, but we'll see if it helps the video look a little bit smoother, you know, turning down the sharpness and stuff. Anyway, I'm going to flip the camera around here, and you can look at the road. I can look at the road, and we'll see what this looks like at home again on the computer. See if it did any difference. Yeah. So we're going in for a family dinner. Nice Easter Sunday. I think I have stabilization on, but it's on low. But anyway, I do like this camera. tomorrow or Tuesday, I'll try out the 360 lens with my granddaughter. We'll go walk to the duck park or something. So we'll check this video out. Hallelujah. Next time.